Welcome back, kids. So what is the grammar topic we are discussing now? Adjective and adverbs. So adjective means describing the noun. Adverb means describing the verb. So adjectives we have to find kind, happy, wonderful, loud. So adverbs you have to add ly. So loudly, sadly, happily, beautifully. Okay. So you have to add ly at the end of the words. So that words we can call as adverbs, and adverbs it describes a verb. Okay. The next one, adjectives describing the noun and adverbs describing the verb. So here two more examples for you. I see a large dinosaur. So how the dinosaur? It is large dinosaur. So here it describes a noun. So dinosaur, already told you, name of the animals we can call it as noun. So here dinosaur is name of the noun and it is a noun. Okay. So it describes a large. That word describes the noun. So we can tell that this is the adjectives. Okay. So why we are saying this is adjectives? Because the word describes about the noun. So that's why we are telling that is the adjective. Okay. The next one, he walks carefully. How he walks? That word questions arise. How? Okay. He subject, walked verb, or we can call it that is the action word in carefully. How he walks? He walks carefully. The word ending with ly and it describes how he walked. Okay, and it arises the question how. So if that arises the questions how means you can easily identify that is the adverb. Got it, kids? I hope you all understand the difference between adjectives and adverbs. Now they given few sentences for you. Just we will be seeing two sentences and after that we will move on to the next topic. So here, Sonia smiled shy. Okay, this is the adjectives. So you have to change it to that adverb. So here how you have to change it into adverb? Yes, you have to add ly. So here Sonia smiled shyly. How she smiled? Shyly. Okay, so here shyly, ly, when you are writing, adding or ly, that is that adverb. Okay, so how she smiled? Shyly. Okay, the next one, she spoke to me rude. What is that adverb form? Yes, rudely. Okay, he crossed the road carefully. He sings beautifully. She danced gracefully. Okay, so these are the adverbs. Okay, so you can write the answer. She spoke to me rudely. So rudely is adverb. Okay, then next we will see the grammar topic, this, that. So that topic is demonstrative pronoun. Very good. So this and that is demonstrative pronoun. So where you have to use this? Yes, the object is near to the speaker or near to the persons. We have to use the word this. If the object is far away, the persons, it have some distance means you have to write the demonstrative pronoun that. Okay, I am showing some examples for you. Just listen. This is a book because we can find the book near to him. Okay, see that book? It is near to him. So if it is near to the person, you can write the demonstrative pronoun this. The next one, look at this image. We can find some distance here. Okay, the book is far away to the person. So in that situations, you have to use the demonstrative pronoun that. That is a book. Do you understand, kids? If it is near to the person, you can use the demonstrative pronoun this. If it is far away to the person, you have to use the demonstrative pronoun that. Got it? Okay. The next one. This is a pen. That is a pen. Because here we can find it near and here we can find some distance. And this is a chair. That is a chair. This is a duck. That is a duck. Okay, I hope you all understand. Again, I am telling you, the object is near to the person or near to you. You have to use that word this. The object or the things is far away from you. You have to use that word that. Okay. Under a listen case, the noun or the things should be singular form. Okay, so the noun should be singular. Here you can find only one book, one pen, one chair and one duck. So is it a singular or plural form? Yes, of course you are correct. That is the singular noun. So if it is a singular noun, you have to use the demonstrative pronoun this and that. If it is a plural noun, what a demonstrative pronoun we have to write? Yes, these and those. So if it is the word noun is plural form means you have to use these or those. If the object is near to the person, you have to use these. If it is far away, you have to use those. Kids, listen. So when you are using these and those demonstrative pronouns, the object should be plural. Okay, see here. See the first one. What is that? Yes, it's a cat face. So you have to write, it is near or it is far away? Is it near? Yes, tell me fast. Is it near or far away? Yes, it is near. Okay, so you have to write, what is this? What is the answer? What is this? Okay. The next one, here we can find snake. And how you have to say this one? Yes, this or that. Yes, very good. That is that. What is that? Why we are using that? Because it is far away. Okay, so the object is near to the person. We have to use this. If it is far away, we have to use that. And the next one. Here, how many cars you can find it? 3 cars. So 3 is a singular noun or plural noun? Yes, that is the plural noun. So if it is a plural noun, what demonstrative pronoun you have to write? These or those. Okay, so which place you have to use these? The object is near to the speaker. So here you can find the cars near to the person. So we have to write, what are these? If it is far away, you have to write those. What are those? Do you understand, kids? The next one, what are these or those? Yes, these, because we can find 5 pencils. So here 5 pencils is plural form and it is near to the person. So that's why we have to write the word these. The next one, how many trees? Yes, only one tree. We can find only one tree. It is also near to the person. So you have to write, what is this? Next one, 2 bags and it is far away to the person. You have to write, what are those? Okay. The next one, this, that, these, those. What is the answers? You have to write it here. What is that? Why? Why we want to write that? Because it is singular. The dog is singular and it is far away to the person. So we have to write the word that. The next one, you can find flowers. So how many flowers? 4. Is it singular noun or plural noun? Yes, absolutely correct. That is the plural noun and it is near to the person. So we have to write the word these. What are these? Okay, I hope you all understand the demonstrative pronoun, where you have to use it. So everything you will be clear about that topic. Am I correct, kids? Okay, just again I will explain you this, that. The noun should be singular. these, those, the noun should be plural form. If the object near, you have to write this only for the singular noun. The object is near that and it is plural form means you have to write these. Okay. Then singular noun, the object is far away to the person. You can now write that. The noun should be a plural form and it is far away to the person. You have to write those. Do you understand? Yes. The next one. So last session we discussed lot, lots of, little, a little. Okay. So today we have write lots of, little. So with the help of these words you have to write the answers. Okay. Shall we write it now? Yes. So before I start to write that answers, just you have to tell me where we have to use a lot of or lots of. The noun should be countable. Very good. So the noun should be countable. That place we have to use a lot of, lots of. So when the noun is uncountable, in that sentences we have to use little. Okay. So what is meant by countable? Which are the things you can able to count it? That nouns we can call as countable noun. Which are the things you can't count it? That is called uncountable noun. Okay. So look at the pictures here. They circled few pictures, no? So tell me which are the things we can able to count. Bag, soap, books, very good, clock, excellent. Then can find some books on the bed, pillow, cot. Okay, so these things we can able to count it. Then one more thing is uncountable noun. We can find it on the table now. What is that? Yes, that is water. Are you able to count the water? No. So that is called as uncountable noun. Okay, so they circled 4 images. Okay, so on the floor we can see some bits of papers, the table, a lot of books, and we can find the jug, some little water, and here also we can find some books, socks on the bed. Okay, so with the help of these images we have to frame a sentences. Shall we frame a sentence now? Yes, just I will help you to make a sentence now. See here, paper, books, socks. So these are called as countable nouns. Water, uncountable nouns. So already I told you a lot of, lots of we have to use for countable nouns. A little we can use for uncountable nouns. Okay. There is a little water in the jug. So I have make one sentence. So why I have to use a little? Because water is uncountable noun. So that's why I have to use the word a little. Okay, there is a little water in the jug. The next one, lot and lots of we have to use for countable nouns. Okay, so here I can find there are lots of books on the table. Okay, the next one, here you can find some bits of papers. Now how you can frame a sentence, kids? Yes, there are lots of paper on the floor. There are lots of books or a bit of papers on the bed. So lots of, the noun is countable. So like that you have to write it in your companion book. This is your companion book bag activity 10.G. Okay, sorry, 10G. So you have to write the answer. There is a little water in the jug. There are a lot of books or lots of books on the table, and there are bits of papers or lots of there are a lot of bits of papers on the floor. There are some books. There are books on the table. Okay, lot of books on the table. So like that you have to write it in your companion book. Got it, kids? So up to that I stop. The next class we will be seeing some other topics. Until then, bye bye kids. Thank you.